Remember a life of purpose and achievement. On behalf of my Commander-in-Chief, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, the officers and women of the RSF, regular and territorial, retired and serving, I'm honored to deliver the military theology for Lieutenant Colonel Manasa Reni. It is the Republic of Fiji Military Forces' final tribute to the life of 21694, Lieutenant Colonel Manasa Ramasirai Reni. Lieutenant Colonel Reni served the RFMF with total loyalty and dedication. He was known for his modesty and humble nature. His administration skills were exemplary. He led well in his capacity as an officer and managed his subordinates with quiet but strong assurances. Whilst he achieved a lordly life, Colonel Reni remained a companion to all that knew him. All his military superiors, his peers, and his subordinates would address him with a respectful manner. Occasionally, Bullard were his constant greetings to those that were close to him. He always sets a high standard in his individual performance, and his contribution to the reforms and nation building was confidently recognized by his superiors. I can positively affirm that Lieutenant Colonel Reni achieved our highest accolades for his attributes as a true military officer, a steadfast statesman, and a respected diplomat. Colonel Reni was wise and experienced, morally strong and religious, kind and forthright. In him, Fiji found a man whose character would bring calm and leadership to our most trying moments. The man was well liked by his military comrades and friends because of his joyful and, when required for certain circumstances, his comedian character. On behalf of the grateful nation, we bid farewell to Lieutenant Colonel Manasa Reni. We thank the Almighty God for Lieutenant Reni, his wife, and we ask for God's blessing